Guys, thank you for tuning in. This is my first experience with IGTV, but I would love to try it. I am doing it right now. And today I would love to introduce introduce to you Google Classroom from inside. I mean, how you can create quick slides for your morning work, or just a quick practice of phonics or sight words. That's what we can do and we will do today. I will show you how to create a very simple slide on iPad from my laptop, because there are different options available. Certainly the iPad version would be a little bit easier. I mean, it has fewer options, but I will show you how to create very cool tasks with real photos and with the images taken from the Google search or any web search you can use. I certainly love the real image experience, because actually you can ask your kids, for example, if you create a sentence, you can ask them to take a photo, a real life photo, just straight away in the classroom, if you want them to create a sentence, for example. Or if you want to ask them what they can see outside, so they can actually take a photo and then insert that photo in the Google slide, and that is super fantastic. Okay, let's pop in. The first thing I want to show you is how to create a Google slide on iPad. You tap the plus sign, you create a slide, you can add text, customize the font, the size, the color. You can see I create a sentence. I see a cat, making it bigger. Then you can add, you can move this text, you can add different shapes, make it also bright and colorful. And then what I want to create is to insert an image. It will be from the photo that I will take, a photo of my cat. Now that I have a photo of my cat, I insert it, and you can see that I can change the size. So now you can ask kids to read a sentence and to type it. That's why I'm creating a new field with the text, writing type here, and so the kids read a sentence, then they type this sentence, or you can ask them to change a sentence or to make a sentence bigger by adding a word, like I see a funny cat. Then another task you can ask them is to answer the question, what is outside? So what they can see outside, and they take their iPads, they take photos of what they can see outside, they insert the image, and that's it. There are other versions, other features available on the desktop version of Google Slides. So here one of the best features is to use various images from search in the web, and it opens the Google window, Google search, and as I can see, I can insert different cats images. So you can actually here you can also customize the image with border, with its size. And here I'm making a task. I'm using various AdWords like cat, rat, and mat, for example. And the task is to read a sentence, to choose the right image, and to drag it into the upper rectangular, and that's it. Also, you can insert various images, as I mentioned, from the search, and this way you can read, you can learn new words, word families. Just quick tutorials that you can use straight away when you prep for the lesson. But if you'd like to go further and to have tons of slides and practice of sight words, various phonics, CVC words, and so on, you can check all my digital resources for Google Classroom. I have various, and there you can practice separate sight words in the sentences or in the passages. So, numerous ways. Enjoy! And I forgot to mention, my name is Victoria from CrazyCharizma. That's the place where you can find various resources on sight words, on phonics, and for your paperless classroom.